Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best eczema detergent is probably one of the most sought-after products for people with sensitive skin and eczema, and finding the right one can be a game-changer in managing symptoms and improving your overall comfort. Today, we will review and compare some of the top-rated eczema laundry detergents on the market, helping you choose the best option for your specific needs and skin type, considering factors like ingredients, scent, effectiveness, and price. Number 5. All Liquid Laundry Detergent Free Clear. This detergent is specially designed for sensitive skin. It's unscented and hypoallergenic, so it's gentle on your clothes and your family. It's twice as concentrated as regular detergents, meaning you get more loads per bottle. This saves you money and reduces waste. It's free of dyes, perfumes, and harsh chemicals that can irritate sensitive skin. You can trust it to keep your clothes clean without causing discomfort. It's perfect for people with allergies or sensitivities to fragrances. It leaves your clothes clean and fresh without any added scents. One bottle provides up to 110 loads of laundry. That's a lot of clean clothes for your family. It's the smart, effective choice for clean clothes and healthy skin. Choose All Free and Clear for a better laundry experience. What we like? This detergent is super concentrated, meaning you get double the loads. It's also unscented and hypoallergenic, perfect for sensitive skin. If you're looking for a cost-effective and gentle option for your family's laundry, this is it. What people say. With its unscented and hypoallergenic formula, it delivers a powerful clean without the irritation that some other detergents can cause. This detergent is 2x concentrated, which means a little goes a long way. It works wonders on stains and odors, leaving clothes feeling fresh and residue-free. Number 4. Ecos Laundry Detergent. It's effective, gentle on sensitive skin, and pH balanced. This detergent is a responsible choice for your family and the planet. It's cruelty-free and vegan, perfect for eco-conscious homes. Plus, one bottle provides enough detergent for 200 loads. Unlike many detergents, it's free of harsh chemicals. This helps protect our water ecosystems. It's tough on dirt but gentle on skin. Ideal for families with allergies and sensitivities. For over 50 years, we've used nature's power to create effective, safer products. It's made in a zero-waste factory using 100% renewable energy. This product is certified to perform well while using safer ingredients for people and the environment. Ecos is a woman-owned and black-owned company, supporting diversity and leadership. What we like? It's plant-powered, dermatologist-tested, and eco-friendly. It's tough on stains but gentle on sensitive skin and the planet. If you prioritize sustainability and want a gentle, effective clean, this is the one for you. What people say. It does an excellent job of getting my clothes clean. It effortlessly tackles a variety of stains and everyday dirt, leaving my laundry looking fresh and vibrant. It's free from harsh chemicals and dyes, making it ideal for sensitive skin. The detergent is made with plant-based ingredients and is biodegradable. Number 3. Truly Free Laundry Detergent. It's designed with sensitive skin in mind, making it perfect for baby clothes. Keep your little one's clothes soft and irritation-free. This detergent is made from natural, plant-derived ingredients. It's both sustainable and effective, providing a thorough clean. Enjoy the fresh and pleasant aroma. It leaves clothes smelling clean and delightful after every wash. It comes with a durable, reusable bottle, promoting sustainability. Simply refill and reuse for eco-friendly cleaning. This product does not expire, offering lasting value and consistent performance. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and clean clothes. It's gentle, plant-based, and comes in a reusable bottle. Experience the difference of truly free laundry detergent. What we like? This plant-based formula is gentle enough for baby clothes and comes in a reusable bottle. It's also got a pleasant signature scent. If you are looking for a sustainable and gentle option for your baby's clothes or you like a pleasant scent, this is a great choice. What people say. The cleaning power of truly free laundry detergent is exceptional. Despite being free from harsh chemicals, it effectively removes stains, dirt, and odors from my clothes. I have noticed that my laundry comes out fresh, clean, and without any residue. It even tackles tough stains like coffee or grass effortlessly, which is impressive for a gentle detergent. It cleans clothes really well, even stubborn stains, while being gentle on the skin. I have sensitive skin, and this detergent doesn't cause any irritation. My clothes feel great and clean so nicely. Number 2. Tide Free and Gentle Liquid Detergent. It delivers a deeper clean that's tough on dirt and stains, but gentle on sensitive skin. It removes more residue than the leading free detergent, leaving clothes fresh and clean. It's the #1 brand used by dermatologists, so you know it's effective and safe for even the most delicate fabrics and sensitive skin. You can trust its gentle yet powerful cleaning. It's completely free of dyes and perfumes, making it ideal for those with allergies or sensitive skin. Enjoy the fresh clean without harsh irritants. This hypoallergenic formula is gentle on all skin types, so you can use it with confidence. It's safe and effective for the whole family. Measuring is simple with the included cap. Just fill to the appropriate level based on your load size and enjoy the convenience. It's designed for easy use in both standard and high-efficiency washers. What we like. It provides a deeper clean while remaining gentle on sensitive skin. It's from a trusted brand known for its effectiveness. If you need a powerful yet gentle clean from a reputable brand, this is a great option. What people say. Tide always cleans clothes the best, and this free and gentle he cleans well and rinses clean. Even when I use less than the recommended amount, almost always opting for the small load measurement, it works flawlessly. Stains and odors don't stand a chance. There's virtually nothing this detergent can't get out. The bottle is well designed with 2 pour options, making it easy to measure and dispense the detergent without any mess. Number 1. Rockin Green Activewear Detergent. It's formulated with powerful plant-based enzymes that break down even the toughest stains and odors from sweat. Enjoy clean and fresh workout gear every time. This all-free and clear detergent is specially formulated to safeguard high-tech workout clothes and microfibers. It naturally extends the life of your activewear. Harnessing the power of plant-based enzymes, it's unscented and safe for those with sensitive skin, fragrance sensitivities, and even babies. This laundry odor eliminator lasts for up to 90 loads and removes years of residue as a pre-soak. You only need 1 tablespoon per load. It's a vegan and cruelty-free formula, safe for your family and the environment. It contains no bleach, dyes, optical brighteners, parabens, or SLS/SLES. What we like. This plant-based detergent is tough on odors, especially from activewear. It's highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. If you have activewear or need a powerful odor eliminator, this is the best option for you. What people say. The Rockin Green website is brilliant. They have a very informative FAQ, as well as suggested washing cycles broken down by type of machine. Plus the small-looking bag claims to last up to 90 loads. If you have hard water and know it, hello mineral deposits on your shower and faucets, this is a great product to look into. I also really love that it's unscented. This detergent is awesome. I don't do anything special to my cloth diapers before washing, and this detergent gets them totally clean and stink-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.